What's up guys, R13 here and let's get started. So today we are unboxing the high grade Gundam Seed Gundam Astray Gold Frame. I have been looking forward to getting this unit for quite a long time and I finally have it. Thanks man, I really appreciate it. You literally made my day. I can't thank you enough. I actually got this through a private seller, fellow builder. Again, thank you so much. I've been looking for this unit here for a couple of years now, and yeah, I'm just really happy. Now, aside from that, this unit was actually released back in 2014 as a Pbandai, and the price tag is around 1600 yen. Now, if you purchase this in Japan, now in other countries, this will be a lot more expensive. This unit is actually limited release premium Bandai. Okay, so what makes this unit different aside from the from the other Astray units? Well, you get the Gael Bulg and the color gold. Yes, yeah, and minor part change there. So that's some of the things that are different about this unit here. Yep, and limited quantity. Okay, as you guys can see, it actually got a really nice artwork here, but single color gold because it's Pbandai on the side as well. On the side here, and then you got your warning hazard, choking hazard. Yeah, and the price tag 1600. Yeah, nowadays since it's 2020 that I got this, they will have removed the price tag already for new kits, and I believe this kit was actually re-released again back in 2018, but again limited quantities, so it's still kind of hard to get. One of the kits that I'm actually hunting for now is the Astray green frame that is much harder to get than the gold frame here. Now let's go ahead and open up the box here. How many runners do we have? 4 packages for now. You get 1, 2, 3 packages, and then you have your manual here. Very basic manual, not bad at all. Actually, let's try if my light here is working. Okay, completely burned out, and it is an expensive one. Oh man, sorry. I got lighting here that I'm using right now that is for photography, and I use this for unboxing. Now aside from that, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 runners and 1 polycap, and you actually get some stickers here. Very basic manual here. This is one of the things that you will know right away, that the Pbandais are designed this way. Okay, and there's the finished one. It's just very straightforward. Same thing for the gold frame and the blue frame. Now the only difference between the other other Astray units is for the red frame you get the sword. For the blue frame you get the beam rifle and shield, but for the gold frame you get the Gael Bulg. But then when it comes to the green frame, it actually got its own unique weapon that I actually forgot. I think it's similar to the GM striker weapon. Yeah, okay, now let's go ahead and open up the packagings here, and that's how serious I am about building this unit as fast as possible. Okay, so we're gonna start with runner A1. Now as you guys can see, this runner is actually not gold plated here. For me it's a good thing. I actually prefer that it's not gold plated, because gold plates actually do leave nasty nubs and marks. So this way here you can actually paint the gold itself. And now definitely, since this is an older kit, there will be nubs and seam lines that you'll have to work on. Actually like that the hands is gold as well. Really nice design. Still, thumbs up to the Bandai development team. Okay, so I'm just gonna squeeze it right this in, and I forgot to mention this is certain parts of the runners are undergated. So what does that mean? Okay, so what it means is Bandai actually did a good job of making sure that certain areas doesn't have any nubs sticking out, so it won't be that noticeable. This is actually one of the examples here of undergated, yeah, which is actually quite nice. Now let's head on to runner A2. Okay, so you guys can see runner A2 is similar color as well. Now definitely a lot of detailing here. There's a lot of details here, and you will have to do some using Panaline accent color or some Panaline marker to bring out its full potential here. Okay, now let's head to runner B1. Okay, we went and bypassed B and C. That's how the runners are right now. And here is D1 here. D1 actually gets some really nice basic designs here. You can actually do some scribings. One of the things I like about older units is you have plenty of opportunity to scribe it yourself. Of course, I haven't done much scribing, and maybe someday. I'm just too busy at the moment. Up next is runner D2. Runner D2, you actually get some of the parts for the basic shield, headpiece. Now this one is very, what do you call that now? Similar. Okay, not bad at all. Up next is runner F. Runner F, you actually get the really nice basic black here. You have your beam rifle. And the shield is actually much more better compared to the original AL Strike. So you guys can see, here's the shield here. Yeah, not bad. Okay, up next is runner G. Runner G here is gold as well. You get the fin, you get part of the shield here again, shoulder, feet. You will definitely notice some of the imperfection if you decide not to paint it because of the molding. Okay, now let's move on to runner H. Oh. Runner H, which is actually not bad. Just 2 pieces, gray color. Up next is runner J2. J2 is your Gael Bulg Bazooka railgun. I think it's bazooka. Really powerful. This weapon belongs to Dual Gundam. Yes. So if you want Dual Gundam's complete weapon set, if you have one, then you can actually give this to Dual Gundam. Yeah, JT-101, I think. It's really nice. Can't believe I actually scratch built one just by basing it off my master grade Dual Gundam. Okay, now up next is the polycaps here. You're gonna have some leftovers as always. Okay, the next one is runner M2. This is actually part of the face, the eyes. Yep. Okay, now up next is the beam sabers. You get to here, the basic one, clear, really nice. Okay, last but not the least, the stickers. Yep, you get the eyes here, the beam the forehead, the beam rifle, the white pieces. Now, of course, I'm not going to be using this. I'm not a huge fan of stickers. Okay, now there you have it, guys. The unboxing of the high-grade Gundam Seed, Gundam Astray Gold Frame MBF-P01. This is really nice unit, and I'm looking forward to building this. Okay, that's all the time that I got, guys. Thank you guys for watching. The next video will be a complete review of the Gundam Astray Gold Frame here, and possibly we will be doing an unboxing of the Gundam Astray Gold Frame Amatsu. Now, and we will definitely be doing a side-by-side comparison once I'm done with my other project here in a couple of weeks. Okay, oops. Thank you guys for watching. This is R13. Have a good day, good night, afternoon, wherever you are. And remember, have fun, relax, and enjoy. That is Gunpla. I'll see you guys on the next video.